AI, it's amazing what's happening so quickly in the tech space. My personal use, hearing about businesses using it, reading the latest news that even I, as a technology geek, can't keep up on. I think there's probably a number of key use cases for AI that we need to think about when we're building and managing networks. I went to the church's IT director and I said, hey, let me give you a free wireless backup internet connection with this fixed wireless company I was a part of. And then I'll help you integrate it together with the Comcast for free. He told me no. And I left that meeting in shock. He basically said, hey, we've already tried to do redundancy. We had Cisco experts configure a router and it just doesn't work. It's been interesting along our journey building and scaling Bigleaf, how many times we've had to run into really smart, savvy engineers and others in the networking space that said, no, that doesn't work. That's impossible. With a platform like Bigleaf, we built from the ground up because we built it in that fixed wireless ISP environment that I was working in at the time. Our software can detect problems along that whole internet path end to end and move the traffic around in real time with the user not even noticing. It was, hey, let's detect the quality of each path in real time, 10 times a second, and adapt to that, keeping traffic where it needs to be to give a good user experience. Not on some fixed set of rules like old school firewalls. I want this traffic here and this one here, and some user has to change that, but rather using smart software to adapt that in real time, with the goal being yet more maintainability. Users are spending less time having to do things that don't add value to the business and a better user experience. Connectivity is going to become even more critical. There's a vision for, instead of a wildfire starting and growing to hundreds of thousands of acres, sending a drone in within 5 or 10 minutes and putting that out. It doesn't really work unless you have good connectivity. And that's just one example. We have to embrace this technology and do well with it, treat people well with it, use it to make the world more enjoyable and build the world we want to be in, whether that's in your LAN, it's a wireless thing, or out on the internet. Bigleaf's happy to help. Bring us in. We can help diagnose what's going on, and we can help solve it if it's an internet connectivity problem.